Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this digital food scale. Now this is about 5 inches in diameter here, and it is so lightweight and portable, and it's not connected by a bunch of cords. It's rechargeable. You don't have to have it, you charge it up, plug it in, and in the back here, you actually just put in some AAA batteries in this part and in the back here. When you open this up, you actually have a couple magnets that you can use for the back of this to be able to put on any sort of surface. But this does also just stick. So if you wanted to have it up a certain area, you can just stick it on there. But if you wanted to put it like on the wall or something, you can just insert these magnets on the back and then be able to put it wherever you want. So if your hands are dirty, whatever, you've got it there. This little piece does come out. So then as you're measuring, you can see everything. Now, once you turn these both on, it automatically pairs. Then you simply put your item on. When we hit this tar, it then clears it out for the new weight. Then you can just add in whatever amount you're wanting to do. And then you can see all of the different modes. You've got grams, pounds, milliliters, ounces, all of that is there. When you take it off, you can always reset it and do whatever you're wanting to do for your next thing. Now, what's really neat is if you wanted to count pieces of something, I don't have anything that is about the same, but if you had a bunch of M&Ms that you wanted to count, you can actually set it up to do pieces and you give it a tester amount and it will then count. Like if you poured in a whole bowl of M&Ms, it'll count it and tell you how many M&Ms are in that thing. So that's really neat because a lot of school things, they'll say how many M&Ms are in the container. You don't have to count them anymore. You just pour it on this, let this scale do all the work. This is a great little thing because you can move it all around, pack it up, store it, and it's completely rechargeable.